Ever heard of Beam? It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that's gaining traction. But how do you actually get started? That's what we're diving into today. Imagine a world where your financial transactions are truly private. No prying eyes, no government surveillance, just you and your money. That's the promise of Beam, a cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. Benefits of Beam. Beam offers enhanced privacy features like confidential transactions and fungibility. This means your transactions are hidden from prying eyes, and your coins are indistinguishable from others, making them harder to track or seize. Why open a Beam wallet? Now, why would you want to open a Beam wallet? Well, if you value your financial privacy and want to take control of your own money, Beam could be a compelling option. Before we proceed, a disclaimer: cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's how to open a Beam wallet. Choose your wallet. Beam offers a variety of wallet options, including desktop wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Desktop wallets like the official Beam Core wallet provide the most advanced features and security. Mobile wallets offer convenience for on-the-go transactions. Hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor offer the highest level of security by storing your private keys offline. Download and install. Download the chosen wallet software from the official Beam website or reputable sources. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the wallet on your device. Create a new wallet. Launch the wallet application. Click on Create New Wallet or a similar option. You'll be prompted to set a strong password. The wallet will generate a seed phrase, a unique set of words. Crucially, write down this seed phrase and store it securely offline. This seed phrase is the key to recovering your wallet if you lose access. Fund your wallet. There are a few ways to acquire Beam. Purchase Beam on exchanges. Some cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to buy Beam with fiat currency, like USD or Euro, or other cryptocurrencies. Receive Beam. You can receive Beam from other users. Mine Beam. If you have the necessary hardware and technical expertise, you can mine Beam. Start using Beam. Once your wallet is funded, you can start sending and receiving Beam. The wallet interface will guide you through the transaction process. Security tips. Strong passwords. Always use strong, unique passwords for your wallet. Seed phrase security. Store your seed phrase safely offline. Beware of scams. Be wary of phishing attempts and fraudulent websites. Keep your software updated. Regularly update your wallet software to the latest version for improved security and bug fixes. Opening a Beam wallet is a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to security. By following these steps and prioritizing safety, you can begin exploring the world of private cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.